فيديو يثبت لك ان الشعب السعودي محبوب وسهل الاقتران. شوف الفيديو.
والله يا جماعة الخير، فاحنا من يوم ما جينا ابها ما شاء الله عليهم وايد يتكلمون عربي، فاحس اني قاعدة امارس لغتي العربية.
الان شوفوا ردة الشعب السعودي الكلام.
Hello!
Hello, bro.
What's on the bell we got your daddy? Hello, where the car?
Morgan. Vanderland Rusted. You're wanted, man, Mr. Morgan. $5,000.
How you doing, guys? I'm from Texas. My name is Hamoud. I want to go to Saudi Arabia. I want to go to South because all the Bedouins there.
Hey, folks. My name is Shaddy. Well, that wasn't my name a long time ago, but I changed my name. I was named after my old man.
If you like that video, give me a thumbs up, and for the new ones, subscribe to the channel and go watch my previous video. You will like it.